How to use Microsoft Authenticator app. Step 1. Go to your App Store or Google Play and download the Microsoft Authenticator app. And you can also scan their QR code to download it. Step 2. Tap Add Account if you want to secure your Microsoft account. And you can choose personal account or work or school account, depending on what you are using. Step 3. Sign in using your email and password. The app may ask you to verify using an existing method like SMS or your email. Step 4. Once you're signed in, the app will show a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds, and this code is what you will use to verify your logins. Step 5. Enable the notification because this allows the app to send you quick approval pop up when you sign in on new devices. And step 6. This is an optional step. You can add other accounts too. You can also use Microsoft Authenticator for Google, Facebook, or any other services that supports 2FA by scanning the QR code from those accounts. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.